Hey guys, Swings at Paradise here. This here is a Gorilla Nantucket playset. This is a 2019 model. Very similar to previous models. Customer had a bucket swing, so we put it up, but it does come with two belt swings, as you can see there, trapeze. It's your cedar swing set, has a redwood colored finish to it. 10-year warranty, manufacturer warranty, covering even against rot. On the back of the Nantucket's the ladder. Alright, your rock wall over here, off to the left if you're facing the front. And you can see up here is got the enclosure. These shutters actually open and close so the kids can play up there. So, climb into the fort, tic-tac-toe. Once again, these windows that open and close. It's got the telescope. Your wave slide down. Steering wheel. Weight limit, I believe, in the fort is 800 pounds combined weight. And I believe it's 200 or 225 per belt swing. Built with 2x4s, 4x4s. Gorilla makes, a great product for the price. If you do your research, you'll see reviews and people saying that. A lot of other manufacturers, their floorboards are half as thick, so their warranty's half as long, and their weight limits are half as much. You can get this model and the rest of Gorilla's 2019 models on swingsetparadise.com. Free shipping to all states. No sales tax either, unless you live in New Jersey. We have installation options available, but these models do come ready to go out the box. Instructions, all the hardware, all the boards are pre-cut, pre-drilled, pre-sanded. So if you are handy, you can do this yourself. Again, very nice model. 4-foot deck height. It's a square fort. I think it's 4x4. 4 foot wide, 4 foot deep. The fort. It is 4 foot. If you have any questions, my name is Bill. Give me a call. Have a good day.